What's up, guys? You guys ready to head out to Lake Del Valle?
Yeah.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Look at the court, it is jam-packed. Oh, it must be.
See you guys in a row.
And so we headed on out for a 4-day camping trip. This was our first time heading to Lake Del Valle, and we didn't really know what to expect. But one thing's for sure, we knew we had a full-packed, fun weekend ahead of us.
Oh, Corey! Why did you hit it?
I don't like.
I'm gonna give you some questions, okay?
I don't like you.
Okay, answer some questions.
You.
Answer some questions.
What's the question?
And I'm gonna eat Caleb. And I'm
What? You gonna eat me?
I forgot a word. And I'm gonna eat Caleb's ears.
What? Yeah, Mike Tyson.
Here, give it back.
And
Okay.
I'm gonna eat the phone right now.
And the great part about it was only about 45 minutes away from where we stayed. So the drive was easy peasy. And there's nothing like that backseat window view. We are here, guys. I'm not moving no more. What are we doing so far? Huh? You guys are bored out of your mind already? So the first thing we all noticed was, as we came down from the mountains, there were definitely no type of service out here, which is going to be a problem. What are you gonna make, a camping site?
I'm gonna build anything I wanna make. First, put also my open this.
Okay, I'm gonna close you, okay?
Yadi! Get up! I took out for a reason. I know. It's because my feet hurt. What kind of baseball you gonna use, buddy? So, guys, today we have my friend. I need this. What's your name? Tell your name. Your team. Your team, no for real. Yadi. My friend. That's my nickname.
So as we were finishing up setting up, a snake was spotted
What type of distance are we talking
around
about
our
here
campsite.
that is comfortable, like, in terms of distance for interview? Like,
You can see when you're standing still, it was like on the
Uh-huh.
because it doesn't feel then by you and my body feels like person.
yeah. Got it!
Look at two guys in the snake.
We were told there are rattlesnakes out here, but fortunately this one is not, and we just gotta be careful with our steps and keep an eye out.
At our visitor center, we have a gopher tank just like him, but like twice his age. He's like
So once we got settled in and forgot all about the snakes, this is a great place for bikes and scooters. It was so bright even at 5 a.m. in the morning. Maybe because we were up high in the valley. Unfortunately, we forgot to put the food away the first night, so somebody ate pretty good. So if anybody see Roscoe, tell him I'm looking for him. Oh yeah, so we were told the snakes come out in the morning, so just gotta keep an eye out. There's nothing like that early morning walk.
I don't know what that is. Oh no, it looks like could be a dog. Look, see, there's another one.
That's a raccoon. That's a raccoon.
The paved trails makes it easy to just walk around and explore the scenery.
It's one way, so we have to come this way.
I'm gonna go up the hill. Yeah. Why are we going up the hill?
We're going up the hill over here, and then we're gonna come down the hill back.
Careful, dude. Come on, alright. I'm not gonna lie, one of the best part of camping is eating. Even Scruffy made it to camp. We also had a 5-star chef at camp, but I don't want to brag.
I was like, you need to
I thought it was triple people. It was him.
Yeah, I thought it was
And
good.
So they had a couple shows lined up for us over the weekend, but this one in particular was about the nocturnals, right?
Nocturnal.
And they taught us all about the nightlife.
Yeah.
And on our way back to our campsite, we just happened to see a frog hopping around.
Don't make eye contact.
That's one thing I'm starting to like about this campsite. You just don't know what's gonna pop up next. Oh, and we're making popcorn. Not the frog. So it's been 3 days now without Wi-Fi.
And then I'm sick.
At this point, it's leftovers on top of leftovers for breakfast. So today we're actually heading down to the water, the actual Lake del Valle. We make sure to get there nice and early to get a nice spot. It was nothing like a fresh sunny breeze. Oh, and if you wanted to rent a canoe, you could do so. But you definitely need an adult, a supervisor. Like I mentioned earlier, we had a couple 5-star chefs on campsite. I'm just saying. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, there was no reception, so it was a good thing for them to learn how to have fun without their devices.
Dare you!
Wait, in like elementary?
I dare you. I dare you. Yeah. Yeah. Remember Miss King's gonna kill me. Wait, Silas, what school did you go to?
No,
Silas.
See the fire? What colors do you see in the fire? Yeah, You guys ready to go too? Mateo, Jenny?
Unfortunately, this was our last day, and it was back to reality. Yeah, today is our last day. You ready to go home? You gonna be sad?
I dreamt of you last night.
Rise and shine.
You were by my side. I woke up alone. I should have known, because I'm always on my own. I just want you here every minute, dear. When I'm without you, don't know what to do. Every time you say,
So this is a yearly tradition that we do. But next year, let's see where it takes us. But we definitely enjoyed our stay at Del Valle.
goodbye.
Alright, dude. Alright, dudes. Alright. Alright.
Oh, please don't say goodbye. I will wait for you, however long you want me to. Just please don't say
Sometimes
goodbye.
it's just nice to get away from the hectic life that we all live, even if it's just for a few days. Because memories are made to stay until the test of time.
Every time you say goodbye.
I said that?
Yeah.